Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. You're going to love this short video. It shows off, ITL. This is the best key machine in the world. You need one if you're cutting Medico keys or any other keys. It has its own software built right in. No time lag. You're going to love it. Look how strong it is. And best of all, it's made here in the US of A. Yeah, I love it. I have my master key system right here, and the ITL. This is how easy it is to program the ITL. So I push clear reset. I already have it landing on the Yale keys because I do a lot of Yale. I love Yale. I have it landing on the Yale, which the manufacturer on the ITL is a 476. That's how simple it is. Embedded software, it already knows where it's at, what key it's going to be cutting, the Yale. Now I'm going to put in the code into the machine to cut the depths and spaces. I don't have to measure spaces. I do have to put in the depths. That's where I'm going to begin. I put that in. I'm looking at it. I'd show it to you, but I really want to keep their code safe. All right, I've got it correct. Now I'm going to load the key in. We have a shoulder. Put it up against the shoulder of the Yale. Yale are pretty precise keys, so the shoulders don't vary. Some keys vary. That is right on the money. I have a spacer that the key sets on. So let's go ahead and cut it. I have a brand new blade in this. The blades are almost $600. Whoa, is that beautiful? All automatic. The head on this particular ITL, it articulates. Look at that key. Isn't that nice? All engraved with the Engrave It Pro. Look at how nice that is. Let's put in another key. I don't have to put in any other code into the machine. It already knows what I just put in. I'm cutting 5 of their master keys. Oh, that is sweet as can be. Now, you really want to do something. I have to deburr these, but you need to test them in their cylinders. So I have a bunch of padlocks that I'm sending down there, so I need to test to make sure each cut is correct. So let's go ahead and deburr these. You don't want any sharp edges, guys. Because what can happen is when they put it in their pocket, they will cut a hole in their pants or in a purse. So I've seen locksmiths just race through this process of deburring. Not a good idea. I know I'm off camera, but that's all right. I think you get the idea. There's the keys deburred. Let's test it out. Watch this Watch this beauty. Oh, I love that sound. It's like the click when you pick through a lock. Oh, I just love that. So both keys work beautifully, but I'm going to test it in all these locks just to make sure, because that's the way you do it. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Wonderful. And then I have just a loose cylinder. This is going in a lock. I didn't want to put that in just yet. Oh, they work great. So far, so good. All the keys are working great. And that's what we want. We want the keys to all function great. So it's a locksmith's practice to test all keys and cylinders that are already pinned up. Let's go ahead and cut the last 2 keys. I only need 5. Isn't that sweet? What a machine this is. There's other machines where you got to crank and do all that kind of stuff. But who wants to do that? We're past that with key machines. At least we should be. This has embedded software, so no warm up. When I turn on this machine, it's running right off the bat. This is an ITL 9700A. World class. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. ITL, what a great machine. Fully self-contained. Carbide cutter. Makes cutting keys look like child play, really. You can get this from your favorite supplier, the ITL 9700A. Great machine. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Thanks again, guys.